Hello everyone and welcome back to the rigging closet. Today's setup, we're going back to basics. Even though it is a basic setup, I have more scales on it than from before, from the first time that I had it on there. The main reason I have it is to explain the fact that the weight doesn't just disappear. And I'm going to explain it and show where the weight goes when you add snatch blocks to the load. One of the myths about snatch blocks that it makes your winch stronger. This line here would be the winch. It doesn't make the winch stronger, it just divides the load. Another myth is that putting a snatch block in the line makes the load lighter. Well, this scale here will prove the fact that no, it doesn't make it lighter. It's just, once again, dividing the load. So walking through this little setup here, we know that this weighs 10 pounds. So this scale here will read everything below it. So this scale should read 10 pounds. For the next scale, which is this one here, we need to take this into consideration right there, and the snatch block itself, that has some weight to it, so we need to take that into consideration. So the 10 and this 1 pound here and the 4.4, that's 15.4 pounds. Is that what we're going to see up here, 15.4? Wait a minute, we have two lines to the load, so this scale here will see half of that load, which should be about 7.7 pounds up here. And then we move over to this scale here. We take what else? The weight of this other snatch block, another 4.4 pounds in the line. Is that what we're going to add up here? Well, we need to take into consideration the 7.7 pounds that we're going to see on this line, and on this line. So the 7.7 times 2 plus the 4.4 pounds, we should see 19.8 pounds. Now I have the scales on, and as you can see, the same 10 pounds, the scale reads the 10 pounds, and this scale here reads the full load, or half, because of the two lines to the load. So it reads the 10, the 1 pound here, and the 4.4, which is 15.4. But since there's two lines to the load, it's only reading 7.7, not 7.8. Give me a little bit, guys. So there's two lines to the load, so it's dividing that 7.7 pounds or 7.8 pounds. Mathematically, it's 7.7 pounds. And so this scale here is the curved ball. It's also reading this load right here, but in addition to, it's also reading the weight of this snatch block and these two lines, because it takes 7.8 pounds here and 7.8 pounds here to keep this load up, floating, or in the air. So that's why we get 19.8 pounds. We get this weight here plus these two lines, which would be the winch, the weight of the snatch block, and of course the two lines to the load. And we lost one. But here you have it, guys. So for the answer on Facebook, scale A is 7.8. I'll take 7.7. Scale B is 19.8. And scale C is 10 pounds. Thank you for watching, guys.